Hey, what's up, guys? So I'm here at SEMA with Fedja Hajimusic. He is the product manager for Cedar, and he helps cover all the different dash cams, so like the Cobra and Escort dash cams. And you've got some pretty cool stuff as far as your dash cams, and I was kind of curious if we could go over your lineup of the different Cobra and Escort dash cams, as well as kind of what it is about your dash cams that makes them different than like all the other dash cams that are on the market.
Absolutely, I'd love to. We can start here at the top of our line with the Cobra SC400D. This is a 3-channel dash camera with front, rear, and cabin view recording. 4K video, Alexa built in, and really the difference maker for us versus all of the other folks out there is our Drive Smarter app. So all of our dash cameras leverage the Drive Smarter app for real-time driver alerts and for heads-up navigation. Real-time driver alerts are all of our radar alerts that are out there from all of our Escort and Cobra radar users that are dropped into our network, being fed into our dash cameras. So when a dash camera user comes up to a point on the road where a police officer has been spotted, we can give them an alert that says police spotted ahead, be careful. We can tell them there's red light cameras and speed cameras out there. And then the next thing that we do is heads up navigation, something that was just introduced this past year, where you can plan a route inside of the Drive Smarter app, set a destination. When connected to your dash camera, you can get turn-by-turn directions on your dash camera display as you're driving. Again, we're trying to enable distraction-free driving, lets you focus on the road ahead, look at the directions on your dash camera screen, and get to where you're going safely.
Cool, that makes sense, yeah. I like having that extra dedicated display, so if your phone is like outside or somewhere.
If you're anything like me, when I go on a road trip and it says next turn 38 miles ahead, I'll just look back to the road, and then 2 minutes later I'll look back and say, oh, 36 miles. It's nice having something there, because when you're trying to navigate in a new location, new setting that you're not familiar with, it's nice having that reassurance right there in front of you.
Yeah, and so you've got now a number of different models that all do the Drive Smarter integration for the police alerts and for the turn-by-turn navigation.
That's right.
Let's go ahead and run through the different models that you have that all offers these capabilities. All right, so moving on now to some of the different models. I see you've got two different 200 series dash cams. There's the SC201 and the SC200D. Tell me a little bit about these two dash cams.
Yeah, absolutely. So starting with the SC201, this is our 1080p front and cabin view dash cam. Right, so this is for your Uber and Lyft driver. You want to record what's happening inside your cabin, as well as obviously what's in front of you. This camera and all of the cameras we're going to talk through leverage our Drive Smarter platform to give you heads-up navigation, as you see here, and real-time driver alerts. This case, 2-inch LCD, infrared cabin night vision, so infrared LEDs to get all of the details at night, and again, 1080p in the front.
Great.
$179.95.
$179. And so then what about this one, the SC200D?
SC200D, again, real-time driver alerts, heads-up navigation on this camera with a 3-inch LCD display, quad HD recording in the front, and then with this camera you can plug in a rear view camera to protect yourself from rear-end impacts, obviously.
Okay, perfect. So it's also a 2-channel setup, but it's designed to record behind you instead of inside the car.
Exactly. This one, optionally, if you'd like, you can just get the base model, the SC200, and connect a cabin view camera to the inside to get cabin view recordings. That's if you want the quad HD capability with cabin view recordings.
Can you do all three at the same time, or is it kind of like a 2-channel setup with an option?
No, not with this one. This is our 2-channel setup. Okay. For 3 channels, we'll have to go to the next part of our lineup. All
right, so next we've got the Cobra SC400D. Tell me about this dash cam.
Yeah, this is a dash cam that we're really, really proud of. This is our 4K 3-channel Alexa built-in dash camera. Again, leveraging our Drive Smarter network for real-time driver alerts and heads-up navigation, just like all the cameras we saw previously, but now with 4K video recording, front, rear, and optionally cabin view recording if you'd like.
Okay, yeah, so big fan of the 4K. Having the 3 channels all in one combo, so front, interior, and rear.
Yeah.
And then as far as the Alexa integration, what are some of the features that it would add to the dash cam?
Yeah, you can control the experience inside your cabin. So you can say, navigate to Starbucks while keeping your eyes in front of you and hands on the wheel. You can say, Spotify, play next song. So those are some of the features we enable with Alexa integration currently. Something else that we're really proud of with this dash camera is our PC World Editor's Choice Award for 2021. Best dash camera in the market. So it was due to our video quality and some of the differentiators that you see here. So that's something that we're really proud of with this dash camera. Again, top of the line Halo product for the Cobra Dashcam series.
Cool. That's great. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Yeah. And then I see you also have another option here, the FV EV1. What is this option?
Yeah, this is a great accessory camera for if you have a truck, right? So you want to go and route the camera to the back and attach it to your license plate so you can get clear rear view recordings and capture license plates. Also for off-roaders, for enthusiasts like Jeep drivers. If you like to go off-roading, or obviously if you're out there in the rain, waterproof, IP67 rating to capture, everything going on behind you, as an optional accessory for the 400 and for the 200 as well.
Perfect. So you use it to replace like the standard rear view?
That's right.
Dash cam that goes on the rear window. This is like the waterproof one that goes in the back of the car.
Exactly.
And then do you have some additional models available here as well?
We don't have them on display here, but we do have an SC100 camera, which is our entry-level $129 camera. No display, 1080p recording for the front. I think a great entry-level Cobra dash camera. We don't have it on display here, but also part of our lineup.
Perfect. And then I know you also have some Escort dash cams. Let's go take a look at those next.
Would love to. Let's do it.
All right, and so now on the Escort side, we've got the Escort M2. Tell me a little bit about this dash cam option.
Sure. If you have an Escort radar detector and you're looking to upgrade to a dash camera and get all of the safety features and protection associated, you can go with the Escort M2. 1080p front view dash camera, single channel dash camera, which connects to your suction mount that you already have with your Escort radar detector with power pass through. So you plug power into the Escort M2, power passes through onto your radar detector there.
Okay, so it looks like you've got one mount here and one power cable for the whole setup.
That's right. That's right. Some of the things that this unlocks is parking mode. Something that doesn't come built into your radar detector. You can have parking mode protection with the Escort M2.
Yeah, I know the M1 I think was driving only recording, and the newer M2 adds parking recording.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's right. And again, leverages our Drive Smarter app for cloud video management.
How does it integrate with Drive Smarter? What does that add?
Cloud video management mainly. So it allows you to manage videos, upload to the cloud, obviously download and get live view for the camera. Change settings and OTA updates for firmware. Compatible with laser shifters, which is something that the M1 wasn't able to do.
That's true. It would block that communication, so now you can use it with the Escort
laser shifter compatible. In addition to that, we have GPS recording with the M2, something that the M1 didn't have, which I think is a big core baseline almost feature for dash cameras now. Something included with the M2.
What does the GPS add to the M2?
Yeah, it gives you speed and location information embedded into your videos, so you can use it for insurance claim purposes in case you need to protect yourself against some of the other drivers in an incident.
Perfect. Great. Well, thanks so much for talking to me about all the Cobra and Escort dash cam options.
I love talking to stuff. Come by anytime.
Yeah. All right. Thanks so much, Fedja.
Cheers, man.
Cheers. We've got the Escort M2. So this looks like an add-on dash cam.
No problem.